Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I look really crazy and really bald head and I don't like it, but we about to hurry up and get through this. So today's video, as you can tell already from the title, is a headband wig review. But before we get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up, and while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. Okay, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so today's video, you guys, I'm looking extra crazy, which is cool. But today we are reviewing the headband wig from Donmily. I've been seeing this all over my Instagram timeline, ads and stuff. So I really wanted to try it. I'm gonna insert a video right here to show you guys how the headband wig looked when I first received it. I did go in and add color to it, because I am so over black hair. When I tried it on, I really wasn't feeling it. I might insert a picture right here to when I tried it on. And this is the box that it came in. It also came with 3 headbands and a wig cap, which I already have on. This cheetah print is giving cheetah girl vibes, and this is giving like summer vibes. It's cute. It's giving me like Thanksgiving vibes, which is right around the corner. But by the time y'all see this video, Thanksgiving gonna be in the past. But these are the 3 headbands that they did send me. How the wig look now that I've bleached, washed, conditioned, and added color to it. If you don't know already, I am in love with the color copper brown. I really truly think that that's the color for me, but I'm so scared to dye my own hair, so I'm just buying wigs and dyeing them copper brown. This is probably gonna be the last one that I dye copper brown, because I already got 2 now. So this is how the wig looks. It comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and the headband that's attached comes with Velcro, so you can make sure it stays on your head. If y'all do want a video on how I dye this wig copper brown, I do have a video on how I dye another wig copper brown. If you're interested, make sure you check that video out. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box. Right, so let's throw it on, y'all. Yo, something stuck somewhere. Okay, so this is how. Oh yeah, why is it falling like that? Okay. So this is how it's looking, y'all. I'm gonna have to play with it because I just feel like it's not giving me what I want it to give me. But y'all get to watch. But I'm gonna fast forward and y'all just see how I style it. This is how it's looking before I add the headband and do my edges. So I'm gonna go in and add the headband. All right, this is my cheetah girl vibes, girl. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead on and do my edges. And then boom, we looking like a whole different woman. Okay, so this is my finished look. I am absolutely happy with this wig, y'all. There is a couple of ways that you can style this wig. I think this is going to be my go-to. Because you can't part it, because they don't have any lace, you either can style it off to the side like this, or you can have some half up, half down. Hold on. Okay, so now this look better. If you're looking for something for the holidays to throw on really quick, I highly recommend this wig. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. because it's everything. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but if any hair company want to sponsor your girl, I'm gonna leave my email down in the description box. That's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumb it up. And while you at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.